Hey, my name's Jeff. I'm a graphic designer. I love a run after work. It's great for burning off steam after being inside all day. Afterwards, I usually shower and shave, then go out. I wish I could avoid the nicks and cuts I get from my razor. My friends even make jokes about it.
A lot of guys have these problems when they shave with a razor. For those who like to shave wet, we've brought performance, comfort and versatility to our Philips Aquatouch shaver. With a razor, the blade presses directly against the skin. And the skin on our face is irregular and uneven. You can get up to 20 or 30 microcuts per shave, ones you can't see with the naked eye, but you can feel them. The Philips Aquatouch protects your skin better than a regular blade by reducing microcuts by up to 10 times. Our skin protection system ensures the blades don't directly touch your skin. The smooth, rounded profile of the heads is specifically designed to provide a protective shave, with less nicks and cuts. With our Super Lift and Cut technology, the first blade raises the hair and the second cuts it for an even closer result. To ensure better reachability, our 5-directional flexing heads follow the contours of your face, especially on the neck and jawline. The Aquatech Wet and Dry Seal waterproofs the core of the shaver. You can conveniently use it with foam or gel, even in the shower. We've brought versatility to your shaver with our Smart Click system. It allows you to connect different attachments onto the same handle, so you can have every styling tool you'll ever need. A precision trimmer for your moustache and sideburns.
Cleaning is simple. I press the one-touch button and the head opens. I rinse it under the tap, give it a light shake, and let it air dry. And that's it. Now I can get the refreshing wet shave I love under the shower with less nicks and cuts. No more jokes.